Hi everybody, Edward Kelly here, your bankruptcy attorney with another 3 minutes to financial freedom. As always, we're going to do one of these every weekday, Monday through Friday. Today we're on the fourth video in a series, Is Chapter 7 Right for Me? And we've talked about income. There are IRS guidelines. If you're under, absolutely qualified to do it. If you're over, either you can't or you need expenses continuing past the bankruptcy that will bring you back down. And then we talked in another video about what kind of debt do I have? Is it dischargeable? Can I get rid of it? Why would I do this if I can't? Most debt, absolutely dischargeable. Unsecured debts, credit cards, signature loans, medical bills, all that dischargeable. The things that aren't are taxes. Actually, you can discharge taxes that are 3 years or older. A lot of people are surprised and very happily by that. 3 years or less from the date of filing, not dischargeable. Student loans, if they're backed by the government, not dischargeable. Child support, never dischargeable. Court costs and fines, not dischargeable. So if all your debt's that's one situation. But if you've got a mixture and you've got a considerable amount of debt, you can discharge, even if there's some left over. Chapter 7 may well be right for you. So today we're going to talk about the third and final factor. And is Chapter 7 right for me? What's my property situation? So, when you do a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're giving up, they're taking away all your dischargeable debt. In exchange, you're giving up any property you have that is not exempt. Most of your stuff's exempt. Your household belongings, your house generally is going to be exempt if you live there, and it's not, over an acre in city limits or over 60 or more out of city limits. Your car up to $7,500 in value, they can't touch that. That's exempt. Your normal day-to-day stuff. But if you have 2, 3, 4 vehicles, you've got an RV, camper, boat, motorcycle, four-wheelers, you may not want to lose those things, and those are things that are up for grabs in a bankruptcy. So you want to look closely at your property situation. Do I have a house and car that I can protect, or maybe I don't have those and I don't need to protect them? And do I have things that I'm going to lose in the bankruptcy? And there may be ways to legitimately plan for the bankruptcy to address that, so that shouldn't prevent you from calling me and looking at a Chapter 7, but that's a factor you really want to look at. What do I have to lose, basically? Home's exempt, car's exempt, up to a certain value, household belongings exempt. But if you have some really valuable stuff, you got to think, is it worth giving this up to get rid of all that debt? So that's our video for today. As always, you can reach me at edwardkellylaw@gmail.com. That's KELLEY law@gmail.com. Or you can call me directly at 580-478-3130. We'll see you tomorrow with the final video in this series.